Oh, les vilains petits chiens. Oh là là, c'est intéressant tout ça, hein? Qu'est-ce qu'on a dans le sable? Oh là 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 là. The lighthouse? Le phare? Well, c'est plus un phare, it doesn't working. It doesn't have lights because there's no ships coming here, I don't think. That's the wheel over there, I think. Oh, and there's all the beach of Talacre, Point of Air. Talacre, the Liverpudlians say, but it's Talacre to others. It doesn't really matter, everyone knows what it means. Talacre. I can't remember what the Welsh word Talacre means. Anyway, never mind. Ma petite chienne. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'on dit à tout ça? Oh, le chien là-bas, look at that doggy woggy running. Oui, on va. J'ai pas la balle, I haven't got the ball. No, well, I don't see the point in having her walk if she hasn't got her ball. Oh, there we go. There we go, off it goes. I like all these, look at the waves have made all these ridges here. It's my new flip-flops, I need to put some flowers on them. Oh, well, madam's taken us. Pew. Oh, all these cuttlefish pieces. I've never seen so many of them, actually. In other years, didn't see them much. Oh là 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 là, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Que c'est une bonne chienne, ça? I can hear the boats a bit. No wind today. That's unusual. Qu'est-ce que tu dis, ma petite chienne? On roule. Oh là, that's roll. Oh là 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 là. Oh là 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 là. Oh, qu'on est contente. On creuse. Oh la 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 la. Yeah, so we need to try and get the muzzle on to get to do the underbelly for the grooming. Oh la la, le petit vilain chien. Oh, que c'est une bonne chienne. You've dug your own sandcastle here, haven't you? Oui. Qu'est-ce qu'on dit, le vilain chien? Le faux. Oh la 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 la. Jou. Invitation to play. Pause down. Oh, le vilain. Oh la la. Here we go. Le vilain. Oh, le vilain. Yeah, well, you can't face it. Oh, la la la. Oh, la 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 la. He doesn't want to play. Elle veut pas faire joujou, la petite. Elle veut pas faire joujou. You're getting the other dogs agitated. He doesn't give a toss what you're doing. La petite. You can't get her to play. She's not taking any notice of you. Eh? He's such a Dumbo, that dog. The other one's coming over to have a look. Oh, so whippy. Le chien, look at that. You know, I can't even get him. Oh, yeah, that's it, I got him, I told him there's a... No, he's not bothered about that. He wants to annoy her. He wants... Yes, well, she's off. She's not really... Well, there's no point telling him. Yeah, she won't budge an inch. She's absolutely not bothered. Oh, look at him go. There they go. Oh, yeah, he's seen something. That's it. Anything running. Right, there we go. Oh, here we go. There we go. Off they go. It's playtime. Freya, it's not... Oh, God almighty. There's 4 of the little devils. Oh... This is exercise. This is the sort of way I like to exercise dogs. Let them do it. Is he a whippet or a greyhound? Whippet, right. Well, he was... My male was barking because she wouldn't get up and play, you know. He's pretty dopey. It's okay, it's okay. There we go. Oh, no, you're not going to bite her bottom too. No, no, no. He's all right. He doesn't do the nipping bottoms of the sheepdogs. Oh, dear, dear. Oh, the sun's out again. He doesn't know if it's coming in or out, this sun. A few spots of rain, and the weather forecast just following the weather rather than the other way around. What's he trotting along here with there for? I don't know. He's just a people dog. A people-orientated dog. Mais oui, on a fait les bonnes choses, ma fifi. But he's trying to round her up. She looks like a sheep. Poor lady. Now he's taken the lead. Follow me. Right. This is around here that I managed to get stuck when the tide came in really fast once. Put that on YouTube. 1 minute it's up around my ankles, next minute it was around my waist in less than 2 minutes. Oh, wasn't very happy about that. Oh, especially when my feet got stuck in the sands. Right, it's a bit soft here, isn't it? A bit pongy, but the sun's... Oh, it doesn't matter, it's... Oh, you got stuck in it. Well, this is it, yes. Oh, my goodness. It's not black tar. Oh, oh. Oh, well, this isn't such a good idea after all. What's all that black gooey stuff? Is it oil? That's the word. Well, of course, I've gone and walked in the most muddy part, like prat. Honestly, with my brand new shoe. Oh, no, I've now broken my shoe. Oh, God, of course, it's stuck stapling. Oh, you couldn't make this up, could you? Now I'm going to get my hands wet. Oh, oh, that is mucky. I'm going to have to turn the camera off now because absolutely this looks like oil. Oh, oh, my feet. Oh, my clothes. That's the end of this. Right, right. We're turning back. Oh, I don't know whether to turn back or go. Oh, carry on. Don't be such a wimp. Ah, I'm going to break the other shoe now. Don't believe it. Right, take it off before it snaps. Don't believe this. It's stuck in the sand. Oh, it smells here. Oh, this is awful. What is all this black sludge? Now I need to get to the water to clean this up. And look at my feet. This is oil. There's been an oil spill. Of course, they don't tell us about them all. Now, I shouldn't have walked over there. They trust me to go in the most worst place. Look at the state of that. And it pongs. Oh, dear. Right, water. Oh. Don't walk over there, look what... Oh, I think it's... Look at the state of that. My feet. I went in... It's just there where all that muddy stuff is. Oh. Do you know it looks like oil to me?
The other day we got stuck in Crocs and everything.
Yeah.
Like right
well, I've just pulled off my new... I'm going to get to the... Look at it.
I know. It's really...
It's like thick.
It's sludge. It's oil, I think.
Like,
yeah. Well, the whole beach is owned by the gas. Oh, it's gas company, not oil company. Well, same difference anyway. Well, I've got to get to the water.
No, I don't blame you.
Hey?
I don't blame you.
Oh.
Try and get it off.
Look at it.
I know.
Look at it. I've got black feet now. I'm a Blackfoot. Alec, it's not funny, Faya. She gets all agitated when things like this happens. Right, get to the water. Oh dear. God dear. I didn't expect this on the video, did I? Oh. I was trying to have a nice look at the state of my feet. Right. Oh dear. Right, water everywhere and not a drop to drink. We're not drinking salt water. Ancient mariner. Oh dear. Well, he's gone in the water. He can get his feet. Well, it was all your fault. It was all your fault. You need to blame someone. Something, since she's a dog. A dog. Oh, I need water on my feet. Look at the state of my new trousers on as well. Oh. This'll help. Oh dear, I just bought them at the shop in Talacre. Oh la la. Stop whining. Such a wimp. Right, here looks. I got everything wet. Oh, if it comes off, I mean, you know. Where's the... Oh, right, well, I'm holding the camera. I was about to say, where's the camera? What a prat. Oh, look at that. At least it hasn't got on my... Not yet. Hasn't got on my sleeves. Right, well, I think this is time to turn this off because I'm not going to manage to take films and do it.